Alright, our rice has now come to a boil. So we're going to move that to our back burner. I've turned that burner down to 3. We're going to cover that and let it reduce. While we're doing that, I'm going to get a pan and we're going to fill it up about 1/4 of the way. And we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt to that. And while we're waiting for that to boil, we're going to go ahead and take the shells off of our shrimp. So we're still going to be using this cutting board to cut other things, so we don't want to cross-contaminate. So we're going to put on a pair of gloves. And we're going to use this container here for our shells. So we're going to go ahead and peel off our shells. Again, you can do that many different ways. You can peel down the back, or peel with the legs. There's no really one method better than any other, as long as it comes off and you haven't ripped your shrimp. What you want to do after you take the shells off is look in the back here to see if there's any brown or black material. If there is, you want to clean that out, but we've gotten very lucky with this shrimp.